how to use your own hands to relieve brain fog. How to use your own hands on an individual that you love to help them relieve their brain fog. This is a manner of decreasing the lymphatic sludging in the brain. And it's real simple. Just cup your hands, put your pinkies and the kind of inner knuckles of your pinkies together, cup your hands and cup your fingers right around the base of their skull and gently let the weight of that skull soften the tissues underneath your fingertips. You'll elongate the muscles, and then as you do that, you gently pull their head, rock their head, and pull it off their neck as if you're pulling their head off their neck. Do this very, very gently. And that very, very gentle relaxation of the high neck muscles in the back and that gentle rocking motion will drain the tissue sludge that has accumulated in the brain. Oh, what a wonderful thing to offer someone. And you will improve this person's brain health by doing that.
The good news is, though, I catch myself and I pull myself back to moderation, thinking things through.